Hello everyone. How to ask a question or a question through Stack Overflow to find an answer for helping you in solving a problem in programming code or error in some programming or software code you are doing. So uh, first of all, we go to the Stack Overflow and find how to do this. Before we go, please subscribe to the channel so we can reach for every useful video, um, and in same time we can be searchable. The channel can be searchable in search engine like Google and YouTube. Let's go. Here we have the Stack Overflow. This website, it's agreed for programming codes. It presents tons of free code. You can use it. You can ask a question, and we here in this video we will learn how to ask questions. So there are a lot of questions, many thousands of questions in programming from all aspects. So as you see here, there is 23 million, it's approximately 24 million questions up till now. So it's your questions should be written in English. So you will press ask a question here, and you are preparing and write or wrote your questions before. So here, these tips for writing your question: summarize your problem, describe your problem in more detail, describe that what you tried and what you expected to happen. We add tags for the problem, like the programming language which written the code. So here is the title. I have the problem here written before. I will copy all in the content it's written before in the stack. So here I should print first the title for the problem. The title here, this was written in the code forces. So copy and go directly here and paste it in the title. And then next, and here I have the content. Select all, copy, and in Stack Overflow, sorry, press, and here we have all done. All we need to do is to press next. What did you try and what you are expecting? So here you have to focus. There is some problem here. The problem or the error has happened through the following code. Okay. So there is misunderstanding in this case. can fix this mistake. And here written double T, concentrate, next, happened, through, next, tags, Python, good courses, error, problem, problems, next, okay. I confirm. You have to confirm. You have to read this. Because the problem is not the same. And submit. Not it. Okay. You have to review. And now I submit the question, and the question is here, and they read it and they will submit their answers. Okay, I will benefit from these answers to solve my problem and create my program. Thanks for watching the video.